This is a 2011 Ford Fusion. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are included: air conditioning, steering wheel mounted controls, a 6-speaker audio system, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a theft recovery system, dusk sensing headlights, side curtain airbags, and this vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Carricker Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1201 South 17th in Oskaloosa.